Hello dear children, this is Manju Bajpayee, primary teacher in KV number 1 Armapur Kanpur. Children, today I will narrate a very famous story on mental stress under the week Manodarpan activities. Before narrating, I just want to say why there is a need to organize this week. Children, it is organized to educate and increase the awareness about the mental illness during the COVID 19 outbreak and beyond. This is an inspirational story on stress management. My story goes like this. A professor was explaining the lesson on stress management to the students. He raised a glass of water and everyone expected to be asked about the half empty or full questions. To their surprise, the professor asked, "How heavy is this glass of water?" The answers from students varied from 100 to 500 grams. The professor explained the absolute weight of the glass doesn't matter. What really matters is how long you try to hold it. He continued, "If I hold it for a minute, it's not a problem. If I hold it for an hour, I will have an ache in my arm. If I hold it for a day, my arm will feel numb and paralyzed." He explained, in each case, the weight of the glass remains the same, but the longer I hold it, the heavier it becomes. He continued, the same thing applies to the stress and worries in our lives. If you are stressed and worried for a short time, it has little impact. But if we carry the burdens of stress and worry all the time, it begins to hurt and eventually our won't be able to carry on. As with a glass of water, you have to put it down for a while and rest before holding it again. It's important to let go of your stresses and worries from time to time. Don't carry them all the time. Remember to put down the glass. Remember to let go and relax from time to time. Life is short. Enjoy it. Live the moment. So, the moral of the story is every day we have the choice to live fully. We should understand the effect of keeping a positive attitude in life. Each day has enough trouble of its own. It's our choice how we react to situation and live. Though stress is a common problem in modern life and there is no way to escape, people need to learn how effectively we manage the stress. Steps to overcome the stress. First and foremost thing is be connected with the friends and family. Spend time with your friends and family members. Being part of a friend network gives you a sense of belonging and self-worth, which can help you in tough times. Always share the feelings with the members of your family and friends. Children, exercise is one of the most important things you can do to combat stress. It might seem contradictory, but putting physical stress on your body through exercise can relieve mental stress. Children, laughing is a best exercise. It helps in relieving your stress response and tension by relaxing your muscles. And next step is be positive and hopeful in all the situations. If you give it a positive meaning, you will have a positive behavior. If you give it a negative meaning, you will have a negative behavior. So be positive in all the situations. Be a warrior, not a worrier. Let me sum up. Find the humor in everyday life. Spend time with funny friends or watch a comedy show to help relieve stress. Thank you.